Right now, people all over the world are shopping online, looking for the best products and ways to save money on the things they buy every day. Millions and millions of transactions are taking place online every day, in every language, in every country, and in all currencies. E-commerce is one of the fastest growing industries in the world today. What if you could shop online and save money every time? What if you could get paid showing others how to do the same? You can with DUBLI Network. Imagine earning a commission on all of these transactions. With the power of e-commerce, DUBLI Network offers you the opportunity to build your own business within this fast-paced and highly profitable industry. This opportunity begins with DUBLI.com, the world's leading online cashback shopping site with over 12,000 brand name stores around the world. DUBLI.com offers incredible savings for consumers in over 120 countries, with up to 30% cashback, special coupons, and discounts on more than 1 billion products and services available. Best of all, registering for a DUBLI.com membership is free. The DUBLI business model is brilliantly simple. DUBLI.com is one of the most powerful money-saving tools available to online shoppers. DUBLI Network is the marketing engine, comprised of thousands of independent business associates that drives new customers to DUBLI.com. And in turn, the cashback earned by DUBLI.com customers generates income for the DUBLI Network business opportunity. When you combine global marketing with global shopping, you have the most powerful and profitable home-based business ever created. People earning money, helping others save money on the things they would be purchasing anyway. This is the DUBLI Network opportunity. DUBLI Network, a subsidiary of a publicly traded U.S. company founded in June 2003, has become a global presence in the home-based business industry. Its North American headquarters is located in Boca Raton, Florida, with 7 regional offices worldwide, including Dubai, Berlin, and Tokyo. Much of the reason for DUBLI's success has been the incredible growth of e-commerce sales worldwide. Global online shopping has nearly doubled in 4 years and is projected to grow by almost 25% in 2018, making it one of the fastest growing industries in the world today. In business, timing is everything. There has never been a better time to be involved with e-commerce, and there has never been a better opportunity than DUBLI Network to allow you to position yourself in front of this growing industry. DUBLI.com offers a personalized shopping experience and the ability to search for your favorite stores by name or by product category, to find everything you need and want, from babies and kids, hotels and travel, to clothing, electronics, software, and more. With over 12,000 globally recognized brands, DUBLI offers customers access to over 1 billion products and services available online today. As a DUBLI Network business associate, you get to share the benefits of the DUBLI.com shopping site with others and generate income on the shopping and travel purchases transacted by all of the customers you refer, including yourself as your own best customer. As a DUBLI.com customer, earning cash back is easy. You simply sign in with a valid email address, pick a store, and earn cash back when you make a purchase. With a valid email address, customers can register for free and begin saving money immediately with a basic DUBLI.com membership. New DUBLI.com customers are welcomed with a generous boost in savings, earning up to double the cash back on purchases made within their first 90 days. The annual VIP Lounge membership offers the greatest value for new and existing DUBLI.com customers. Membership is just $99 per year, and VIP Lounge members are rewarded with extra cash back, exclusive deals, and members-only savings that are not available at the basic or premier level. A VIP Lounge membership pays for itself many times over, with thousands of dollars in value for only $99 per year, and unlimited extra 2% cash back on every purchase, stackable savings, and both global and regional offers. VIP Lounge members have access to exclusive savings on hotel, air travel, shopping, dining, leisure, and entertainment. Imagine saving up to 60% on hotel stays while earning an extra 6% cash back on every reservation. As you watch your cashback earnings grow in your account, rest assured that it's easy and hassle-free to receive your earned cash back from DUBLI.com. DUBLI offers several electronic payment options, including PayPal, as a convenient global payment solution. The more you shop, the more you save and earn cash back, which means more money to spend on new shopping and travel-related purchases. The possibilities and the savings are endless. Behind the incredible success of DUBLI.com is the team of amazing DUBLI Network business associates that market and promote DUBLI.com in over 120 countries. You have the opportunity right now to start your own global business with DUBLI Network and get your share of one of the fastest growing online markets in the world, helping families save money on the things they are already buying every day. DUBLI offers a proven business system without geographical boundaries or borders or physical products to sell. Imagine building a global business online, right from your own home, with unlimited earning potential. This is DUBLI Network. DUBLI has created a revolutionary compensation plan with 2 compensation structures that are built simultaneously to give you the greatest financial rewards for your effort up front and over time, building long-term residual income. The binary Fast Start Team bonus structure rewards team building with front-end bonuses, while the unilevel team structure rewards customer acquisition with commissions on customer cashback shopping transactions and VIP lounge memberships and renewals. You can think of it this way: 2 plans working together that allow you to get paid today for the work you do today, with the ability to generate income on your efforts long-term. To keep it simple, the binary and unilevel structures are built simultaneously with the addition of each newly enrolled business associate. The binary calculates team building bonuses and the unilevel calculates residual commission on shopping and VIP lounge memberships. This is the power of DUBLI Network's unique compensation plan. There are 8 ways to earn income with DUBLI Network. While the VIP Lounge membership represents the greatest value for DUBLI.com customers all over the world, as a DUBLI Network business associate, you earn a fixed 20% commission on the $99 membership and renewals paid by your personal customers. As your customers shop and enjoy all of the incredible benefits of DUBLI.com, you earn a commission on every purchase. This commission is 20 to 30% of the basic cash back earned by your personal customers when they shop and book travel through DUBLI.com. In fact, new customers referred by your customers and so on count as your personally registered customers. There is no limit to the number of customers you can generate or the amount of personal customer commissions you can earn. For this presentation, we will show how you can earn the most income in your first 30 days by focusing on just 2 of the 8 ways to earn: the Fast Start bonus and taking advantage of special promotions. The Fast Start bonus is easy to understand and allows you to earn commission when you personally enroll new DUBLI Network business associates. It is also one of the fastest ways to begin earning in DUBLI Network. You earn a 10% Fast Start bonus each time you personally enroll a new business associate with a team member or partner program accelerator enrollment package. Bonuses are calculated on the commissionable sales volume assigned to the enrollment package and paid in US dollars or equivalent currency. 10% calculated on the 450 CSV of the TM package earns you a $45 Fast Start bonus. 10% calculated on the 2,250 CSV of the PPA package earns you a $225 Fast Start bonus. If you are excited about team building and willing to put in the time and effort, you can really boost your income by taking advantage of these special incentives and promotions available. Right now, the Frontline Bonus promotion allows you to earn double the amount you can earn with the Fast Start bonus when you enroll 3 new business associates with an enrollment package, all within a 30-day time period. Your 30-day clock begins when you personally enroll 1 new business associate that purchases an enrollment package. When you enroll 2 more business associates within 30 days of the first, you can earn up to $750 extra depending on the packages they select. There is no limit to the number of new business associates you can enroll, and no limit to the number of times you can earn the extra Frontline bonus during the promotion period. This promotional bonus is in addition to the income earned with the DUBLI Network compensation plan. One of the most exciting aspects of this compensation plan is how the Fast Start bonuses and the promotional Frontline bonus can be combined to create incredible income for yourself during your first 30 days. Let's say that you enroll 3 new business associates that each purchase a PPA package in 30 days or less from the day you enrolled your first business associate. you will earn $675 in Fast Start bonuses and $750 from the Frontline bonus promotion, for a total of $1,425. That's amazing! But wait, remember, there is no limit to the number of times the promotional bonus can be earned. You can even enroll 3 new business associates all in one day. For example, let's say you enroll 3 new PPAs within your first 5 days and earn $1,425. Most likely, you would like to earn that again. So you enroll 3 more PPAs within the next 10 days and earn another $1,425. In this example, you would have earned $2,850 in just 15 days. Who knows how much you could earn during your first 30 days in business, or the next 30 days, or the next 3 to 6 months. This is only the beginning. As your team grows, the commissions generated by the shopping and travel purchases of the customers in your business can create a long-term residual income for you as well. The key here is make a decision, be coachable, and go for it. If earning this kind of money in your first 30 days sounds good to you, then there is no time to waste. DUBLI Network provides you with everything you need to begin building a successful business right away. This includes world-class marketing materials to help you promote your new business. These materials include official presentations, brochures and flyers, online marketing tools, a lead generation system, web banners, logos, and promotional publication about DUBLI Network. Included with your enrollment as a business associate is access to the DUBLI Academy training system, which includes a comprehensive Getting Started guide, 5 levels of training with the first 2 levels of training topics available online, and a complete resource center with presentations, training materials, and videos to help you learn how to build the most successful DUBLI Network business in the shortest possible time. There has never been a more comprehensive training system for a network marketing business than the DUBLI Academy training system. All that is left for you to do is to get started. To become an independent business associate with DUBLI Network, you are required to purchase a $99 business license. A business license allows you to earn commissions and receive complete access to your back office to manage your business. In addition to the business license, you have the option to purchase one of the enrollment packages. By enrolling with a team member package, you receive 6 VIP lounge membership vouchers that can be either sold or given away and redeemed for a 1-year VIP lounge membership on DUBLI.com. VIP lounge membership vouchers can be used as promotional items to help you begin building your customer base right away. For just $594, you can have access to everything you need to start your new business. If you are serious about building a successful DUBLI Network business quickly, there is no better way to get started than with the Partner Program Accelerator Package. The PPA package includes 30 VIP Lounge membership vouchers, a free business license, a free certification training course for the BSP Rewards Partner Program, and free access to and unlimited use of the DUBLI.com customer landing page system, an online marketing tool that can be used to help build your customer base. You also begin your business earning a 10% organizational customer commission. This means earning twice as much in commissions on your organizational customers' shopping and memberships as you would be earning with a team member package. With all of this included, the actual value of a PPA package is $4,467 for the price of $2,475. The business license, the online marketing tool, and the certification course are free with the PPA package. And you receive nearly $3,000 in VIP Lounge membership vouchers to begin building a strong customer base immediately. Which package should you choose? Each enrollment package allows you to begin building a DUBLI Network business immediately. The PPA package offers the greatest value with the tools and resources to help you build your business more quickly and with greater potential for success. It is up to you to decide which package is right for you and your business goals. Whichever package you choose, the most important decision you can make is to get started. Get back in touch with the person that invited you to watch this video and let them know that you are interested and ready to start your DUBLI Network business. Welcome to DUBLI Network.